I met Athena and Redemption Press at the Writers Conference. One of her editors had reviewed my book, and they were encouraging in comparison to all the other tables that were there. Athena was not pushy. I was very impressed with her book. I had done a couple of book proposals to traditional published companies that were at the conference. It felt like it was going to take too long to go that route, and I wanted to get my book out now. I ended up going with Redemption Press and have absolutely loved my experience. They are very professional from the very moment that you start contacting them all the way through. They don't leave you hanging. They're there to give you support in whatever area you need, from the book cover to the back cover to every detail. I appreciated the quality of work, how efficient they were, and how quick they were. More than that, they're friends versus I'm just another book that they're publishing, and I've really appreciated that. The American Association of Christian Counselors conference, we had a booth there, and that was a great experience. The opportunity to do the Women of Joy conference and be one of the books highlighted. That's another great experience. They're more like educators than salespeople. All along, she's been very realistic. I didn't feel that pushiness. For them, it's not about pushing sales. It's more to encourage you as writers. You can use us or you can use somebody else. Here's all the steps of how to do it. I don't feel like I'm out there hanging by myself. I need to be able to have that ownership of the name of the book and to have that control over it where I can expand it and not be limited by a traditional publishing company. My editor, we had great discussions back and forth, challenging me to explain, you need to show me. You need to write that out in more detail. By the time we were done, she's, okay, now I get it. She challenged me in my writing to communicate better so that I could prove why people needed to forgive God. It was helpful to have Christian editors help me clarify my message in a clear, precise way, but also biblically sound way. The doors that have opened would not have opened for me if it wasn't for Redemption Press. Athena, she is so well known in the publishing and writing world, and that opened doors. People she introduced me to, as well as this opportunity with the Women of Joy conferences to have my book highlighted, that is not a door I could have opened. I was not nickeled and dimed to death. I was actually surprised at how low the price was in comparison from other prices that I've seen. The quality and everything that they gave me was much better. It's very affordable and great what they offer to us. I was actually surprised in some of the areas covered. It's definitely cost efficient with them. Athena is a wealth of information, and you want to sit there and keep listening to her more and more. It's more about helping you and not about promoting herself. Athena helps you set realistic goals, not limiting your dreams, but giving you the steps to fulfill your dreams. She brings to the table her life experience, things that can help, and then encouraging writers all across the board to take those tools to go forward.